Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by fixing the plumbing, restart the Windows search service, and set it to automatic delayed so it comes up reliably. Once done, run PowerShell as administrator and re-register the search app package. This repairs broken app registrations that stop search from receiving queries. Next, verify indexing options in settings to ensure your most used folders are included. This first sweep resolves many common failures quickly. If you see errors, keep the message. You will need it for the next step. Now perform deeper repairs. Open indexing options, choose Advanced, and trigger a full rebuild. Rebuilds take time, so let it run while you proceed. Then run sfc/scano to repair corrupt system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore Windows images. Once those finish, use PowerShell to remove and reinstall the Search/Cortana app packages so the UI and backend match. Together, these steps fix corruption. Finish by restarting your PC. This ensures service changes, rebuilt indexes, and restored files load cleanly. Test search for apps, files, and web results. Type slowly and watch results populate. If problems persist, create a new local user to check whether the issue is profile-specific, or use system restore to revert to a known good point. Make a restore point now if you haven't. Troubleshooting tip: if a specific error repeats, copy the exact message and log it. That data directs targeted fixes, or lets support escalate effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.